What you are looking at right now is the ad manager that I'm using to promote the simple Facebook ad that converts. And I want to show you a mathematics that will blow your mind. I want to be able to open your mind on the kind of return on ad spend that you can make when you understand how to set up a profitable Facebook advert that converts. Of course, when I say Facebook ad, it also comprises Instagram because Meta is the owner of both platforms. All right. So let's look at this. This is 42 conversion, and also take note that this is 5,000 naira in Nigeria currency. If you're in other Africa countries, you can convert that. So I set the program for 5,000. So this is 42. This is 12 conversion. This advert just started running. As you can see, it has not spent a lot of money. This is 17 conversion. You can see the ad spend. You can see the cost per conversion. This is the amount that Facebook is charging me to give me one sale. All right. Also remember that it's 5,000, and this is just an upfront offer. We'll explain what I mean very shortly. So let's look at this. This is another ad. So look at this now. This is 21 conversion. Let me take this off. This is the amount it is costing me, and this is the ad spend. This is 24 conversion, amount it is costing me, and this is ad spend. Let me go down. This is 16 conversion, amount it is costing me to get a sale, and this is the ad spend. Now, how does this apply to you, and why am I showing you this? First of all, I have written out all the ad spend in all these adverts that I have shown you, and I have written out the number of conversion that I have made. So we are going to go into our calculator very quickly. All right, for the ad spend, one of the ads spent 51,700. Of course, like you can see it right here. So see the numbers. I've written it down. See the number here: 51,000, 21,000, 30,000, 30,000, 28,000. So I've written the number down. Let's do a calculation so that we know the total amount we spent to get our result, and then we'll calculate how much we've been able to make back. All right, 51,700 plus 21,309 plus 30,400. So you can look at it now. This is 30,400. Okay, the next one here is 30,000. Okay, plus 30,000 plus, let's look at the next one here, 28,500. The ad spend, 28,500 plus, let's look at the next one, 20,562. So 20,562. Now the total ad spend is 182,000. Let's just call it 183,000 approximately. So please remember that it's 183,000. Now let's look at how many sales we've made. We've been able to do 42 conversion. Let's calculate 42 plus, this is a live advert. I'm not telling you what I screenshotted, plus 12 conversion. You can see that they are active, plus 12 plus 17 conversion. Okay, plus 12 plus 17, that is giving us 71. Let's look at the next one, which is 21. See what I'm looking at here: 21 and 24. Okay, let's look at 21 plus 24 plus, let's look at the last conversion we got here, which is 16. You can see this 16 right here. Okay, this 16 here. So plus 16. Let me check my calculator. Plus 16. Now that's giving us 132 conversion. This is an advert that I have not run for more than 2 weeks. Okay, 132 conversion. Now let's calculate 132 times 5,000 naira, which I'm promoting it. It is 660,000. Okay, 660,000. When you minus 183,000, which is the ad spend, 183,000 minus 600 and, okay, let's do 660,000 minus 183,000. Oh, okay, that was an error. Minus 183,000. So I've been able to make back in profit 477,000 naira. Now, This is minus my ad spend, because if you include the ad spend, it is 660,000. What this simply means is that this Facebook advert, I have spent 183,000. It has brought back 660,000 naira. And this is digital product, so I'm not paying for any product, I'm not paying for any shipping, I'm not paying for any logistic. That 477,000 is absolute net profit. You see, if this is the amount that I can get back by spending 183,000, now let's take this to AI. I want to open your eye, all right? If I'm able to make, let's ask AI this question. I spent 183K and made back 660K. How much will I make? So if you're able to spend 500K every month, how much will I make if I spend 500K on ads, assuming the conversion rate is the same? So let's assume that this advert keep going like that. If I keep spending money, how much will I be able to make back? Let's look at it right here. By the way, what I'm using here is Claude. So your return on ad spend is 660K, which is 3.6 times. Okay, so if I spend 500K on this advert, I'm expecting to make back 1.8 million naira. Now, when you minus 1.8 minus 500, that's giving me 1.3 million by just selling a digital product. And this is just a low ticket offer. So when I talked about this is an upfront offer, what I mean is this offer is just an offer I'm using to bring in customers. All right, so when the customer come into my business, obviously there will probably be a lot more strategies I can use to make money from that. But you can understand that this is an offer that I'm using. With 500K, I'm expecting to make back 1.8. I've been able to do 477,000 by just spending water. It's 3,000. And this is not luck. This is not by prayer. This is not by hoping. It is by simply following a strategic Facebook and Instagram advert strategy that I'm going to show you inside the Simple Facebook Ad That Convert program. See, I have created this program because I have seen a lot of big courses. Oh, you need to have big budget, you need to have a laptop, you need to have a website. All of those things is no longer important as it is in 2026. So all you need to do now is to learn the simple strategy that are working today, to start using it to set up your paid Facebook advert. And I guarantee you, I am the best person that will teach you this program, because I have done it over the years. I've spent millions of naira, spoken at different conferences, gotten featured on Vanguard, Punch newspaper, This Day newspaper. I've spoken at different radio stations, just offering my teachings about Facebook and Instagram adverts. So when you click on this link, you are going to get access to this program for just 5,000 naira, plus all the 13 bonuses that are available inside the program. See, you are going to be blown away. This is just one of the secrets that I'm using to run ad. If you want to get this program today so that you can start enjoying this result, click on the link anywhere around this video. See, for the past 6 months, you have been pumping money on Facebook ad without getting a good result back. How many times have you spent 183,000 and made back over 477,000 in pure profit? I'm not talking about the one that you have to start doing pay on delivery and all those logistics. How many times have you made this amount in pure profit by just spending 183,000? If you want to learn how to do this, click on the link anywhere around this video and get this program today. I'm going to see you on the inside.